This is the fact of life. Water is something people cannot live without. But what if I told you one company has built a business around this essential need and turned it into billions in revenue and consistent profits? Today we're diving into Manila Water Company, a company that doesn't just supply water. It supplies stability, dividends, and long-term growth potential. If you are looking for a dividend stock, one that cannot weather economic storms while still growing, this might be one you don't want to ignore. Manila Water Company was established in 1997 and operates as a key water utility provider in the Philippines. It manages water distribution and wastewater services primarily in the east zone of Metro Manila. What makes this company unique is its business model. This is a regulated utility, which means it has predictable income, it has a long-term concession agreements, and lastly, their product is essential with steady demand. This means demand doesn't disappear even during economic downturns. Now let's talk about the company's growth and development. Because despite being a utility enterprise, Manila Water is far from stagnant. For one, the company has started expansion outside Metro Manila. The company is aggressively growing its non-East Zone Philippines business, covering areas in Visayas and Mindanao. These regions are seeing increasing water demand, and revenues from these segments have already shown strong growth. Second, infrastructure investments is one of the major focus. Manila Water continues to invest heavily in infrastructure. They have set aside around 18 billion pesos in capital expenditures in recent years. Their main focus is on water treatment, distribution efficiency, and network expansion. And thirdly, the standardized tariff adjustments. This is a big one because the company benefits from regulated tariff increases, and these adjustments directly boost revenues and margins. Let's break down why investors are paying attention to Manila Water. Many believe that Manila Water has a defensive business model. Water is non-negotiable. Whether the economy is booming or crashing, people still need water. This makes Manila Water a classic defensive stock. Second, it has showed strong earnings growth for years. In 2024 alone, the company has a net income of 88%, reaching 10.5 billion pesos. This is not just stability, this is growth. Next, this kind of business has predictable cash flow. Thanks to long-term concessions and regulated pricing, revenues are relatively stable and predictable. Number four, improved efficiency has been very observable. The company has been focusing on cost control and operational efficiency, boosting margins very significantly. And lastly, operational expansion means future growth. With expansion outside Metro Manila, Manila Water is no longer just a Metro Manila story. It is becoming a nationwide utility player. Now let's talk about the financial performance of the company because numbers tell the real story. In 2022, the company has a revenue of 22.75 billion pesos. In 2023, it has a revenue of 30.64 billion pesos. And in 2024, it has gathered 36.6 billion pesos. As you notice, revenue growth has been strong, consistent, and growing. This shows that the management of the company knows what they are doing on how to make progress year on year. In a nutshell, from 2022 to 2023, the company has growth of 34%. In 2023 to 2024, it has a 19% growth. These numbers will tell us that there is sustained demand and effective pricing strategies in place. Now the net income. In 2023, the company has a net income of 559 billion pesos. In 2024, it has a net income of 10.5 billion pesos. That is 88% growth. This massive jump tells us two things: that revenue growth is translating into profit, and second, cost management is working extremely well. This is exactly what investors want to see: efficient growth. Now let's examine dividends, because this is where Manila Water becomes even more attractive. In 2024, the stock has a dividend yield of 5.8%. This is a solid yield for a utility company. This number is very competitive versus other defensive stocks. And this dividend is not a joke, but something supported by strong cash flow. The company really is a giver of both regular and special dividends. While not the highest yield in the market, it offers a balance of income and growth. As we know, no investment is perfect. Here are some risks. This business model is dependent on government concessions. Next, tariff regulations may change based on government approvals. And lastly, there could be political influence that may interfere the business. These are important factors you must always consider. So here is something that you may want to think about. Do you want a stock that grows fast, or one that grows steadily and pays you while you wait? Because Manila Water Company might not be flashy, but it's consistent, profitable, and essential. If you found this analysis helpful, don't forget to like the video and subscribe for more stock breakdowns. Please comment below: would you invest in Manila Water? And as always, invest wisely and invest with purpose.